if you are interested, if you're interested, oh, okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am super excited. Yes, super excited. How many times do I say that? I say it all the time because I'm always excited. You know, but when you get to be my age, you're just excited to wake up. But I am super excited because I do have a Fashionphile unboxing for you guys. I have a new journal and I'm going to share with you a couple of my journals. I have a lot of things to share with you guys. I'm also going to share with you what fits in my Marc Jacobs J Marc shoulder bag, because I realized that I have never done any kind of a review on this bag. Oh, I'm getting all kind of text right now, you guys. But I want to show you what fits inside. I've been carrying it for a couple of days now and I love it. I got it last year when we were in Miami. But anyway, if you guys want to see what it is I'm going to be unboxing today, stick around. Alright guys, so I was going to tell you, I am not naked. I have got on a little sundress. Okay, Dawn, Missy, Cammie, oh, they're yapping again. Right when I sit down to film. But anyway, it's just a little Amazon sundress. And I wear it, I usually wear a little something over it when I go out, and I like to wear it with red lipstick, but I'm just wearing it around the house tonight. And I also have some red Tory Burch shoes that I wear with it. But anyway, guys, I have a lot of fun stuff. I am going to do the unboxing first, but I wanted to share with you guys my Dior lip glow. And Dawn had gotten some recently. Hold on one moment. This is my very favorite, and this was actually a gift from Dawn a couple times ago when I went up there. I love it, you guys. So I've been wearing it a lot, and in the summertime, I don't really like to wear a lot of makeup, and I don't like to put on like lip liner and lipstick. I don't know. It just feels like it's wanting to melt off of my face, so I love this. Because you don't really need lip liner. It is so nurturing for your lips and it's great. And you get the color and the coverage that you want. But my favorite color is cherry oil. Yes. So this is the cherry oil. And I have had some people ask me about it when I've had it done before. So no lip liner, no lipstick, just the Dior cherry oil. I'll link it below, but I love this. Thank you, Dawn, for this gift, but I've about used it up, so I need to order some more. I was going to show you another item. I think I'm going to start sharing with you guys not just beauty, you know, cosmetics and things like that, just things that I have used and found tried and true. And this is one that I found that I think is fantastic, and I got it off Amazon, and it's called Wondercide Insect Repellent, if I could read, and it is DEET free peppermint. And you guys, this is great. You can use it on children, and I was thinking that I would use it for my grandchildren, for Drew and for the girls if they're over here, because mosquitoes scare me to death, you guys, and I don't want them to be bitten, and this is wonderful. So I used it, and we were at a party outside at night, and there were lots of mosquitoes, and I didn't get one bite. So I think it's great. If you want to use something that's very safe for your children and grandchildren, check this out. So it is from Amazon. That will be linked as well. And yeah, so that's the only products that I have for you, but I'm going to start sharing with you guys some of the products that I love. Now, this necklace I have on, you guys know that I work with Read Your Heart. They are my all-time favorite jewelry company that I've ever worked with. I get asked all the time to work with a lot of different Amazon companies, different jewelry companies. This is my all-time favorite, and this is just a beautiful gold chain with a beautiful moissanite. Okay, so I just love the look of this simple little diamond here on my neck, and this is Read Your Heart. So you guys, I do have a coupon code YOTA15. Check them out. All right, so let's go ahead and we're going to do the unboxing first, and I'll share with you a couple of my journals that I just got. Well, I just got a new one, and then we'll go into the handbag. Enough dilly-dallying. You know, we don't do that here. We don't do that here. All right, so this is the box. This is something that I have wanted for a really long time. I think I did pay over retail for it, but you guys, I don't regret it. I don't do that very often, but I'm just really glad I have it because I know I'm gonna use it like crazy. Let's stop dilly-dallying. Let's go ahead and open the box, put on my glasses so I can see what I'm doing. I'll show you what it is. So when you shop on Fashionphile, as many of you know, some of you may not know, that you do really need to do your due diligence and know what the retail price is, because sometimes, you know, a lot of their items are over retail. Some of them are way under. It just depends, I guess. And this is something that's kind of hard to get a hold of. So anyway, here it is. I don't see any confetti, but that's okay. All right, let's just take it out of the box. I don't like that confetti, you guys. It's very annoying. So here it is. Let's take the paper off. It is from my all-time favorite brand. It's a rather odd looking box, isn't it? So I don't know if you can guess what it is. So let's just go ahead and open it up. You guys, there it is. I am very stoked. So I'm gonna look it over really fast. It's supposed to be in excellent condition. It is the desk agenda, the larger desk agenda in monogram. And just looking at it right now, it looks fabulous. Yeah, looks really, really good. So I have really wanted this for a really long time. And this is the one that has the rings. It has all of this, you know, where you can put things. It has a pen holder on the inside. And I think the next time that I go to Louis Vuitton, I'm going to have my initials hot stamped probably right here. So yeah, oh, it looks so good. It didn't say that it was brand new, but just looking at it, it looks brand new. Well, okay, there's a little bit, a tiny bit, and I'm sure you're not going to be able to see that. A few little scratches on the hardware. That doesn't bother me one bit. It looks to be in excellent condition. Let me check the little rings. Perfect, perfect. Oh wow, I love this. You guys know I love monogram. Now they did have some in the Ebene, but I just wanted the monogram one, and I thought, I'm finally getting it. I wanted to put a notebook in here, and I mean, I wanted the one with the rings and the pen, and I can keep it all together. Now I do have another agenda that I've had. I probably have it probably a good 4 years. Let's see what this receipt says really fast. Yeah, oh well, it just has, it has this. So there's the number, if you guys are interested. So when I was shopping, they did have quite a few of these on the website. I am so stoked to have this. And because when I travel, I always take my agenda with me. I normally buy like a happy planner, and I always will. But I wanted this, and I have specific reasons that I want this, to use this, and I finally got my hands on it. So this one, now this one I've had for a really long time. They're both the same size, and they're both monogram. You're gonna say, you're probably thinking, why? But you guys, I really do, I mean, I love it, but this one I don't feel is as user friendly, because I mean, I've got these, I've got a Louis Vuitton notebook in it, and then I just have this other notebook in the, is it A7? Oh, okay, so I like it, but I don't use it that much. And I know they're hard to come by, and this one I've had, so this one I've had about 4 years, It holds the A5 books. So I have a Louis Vuitton in here, and then I have this A5 book here. And I just haven't used this one because I'm going to take this out. It does have the slots, but it doesn't have the pen holder. It's got like card slots. You see that? And it has this slot here. And then this. But, I mean, it's nice. So I'm trying to think, do I want to keep it or do I want to sell it? Do I need both? No, I really don't. But I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. Whereas this one, I feel will be a lot more user-friendly because I did want this. I wanted the pen holder. I wanted the whole 9 yards. And this one, I think I'll use it a lot. This one actually has just been sitting in my bookshelf for a couple of years. And every now and then I'll get it out and think, why am I not using this? So I'm going to have to decide if I want to sell it or not. I'll let you guys know and I'll give you guys, you know, first dibs on it. But they are the same size, the desk agenda. I don't know, which one do you guys like? Do you like this one or do you like the snap one with the rings? That was really the reason that I wanted it. But they're both beautiful. This one has barely been used. So that's my unboxing. Call me crazy. Call me crazy. I won't deny it. Okay, so I was looking at these and I probably will sell this one if anybody is interested. I have to see what they're going for. I don't even know what I paid for it, you guys. I've had this forever and it's like brand new. So if I haven't used it in the past couple years, I'm just not going to use it. I mean, I just had those books in it, and at one point, I used it as an address book. It's crazy. It's crazy. I'm crazy. So I may just sell it. I don't need to, because I kind of want one of the small ones for my bag, because when I travel, even when I'm out and about, I always need to write things down. So maybe if I sell this, I'll get a small one. All right, so I also bought something. I was shopping for Mother's Day. My mom's in heaven. And I wanted to buy something for her 2 sisters, for my dear aunts. And they're so special to me. So in honor of my mother's memory, I wanted to buy them a prayer journal. I bought myself one. And this one just looks like me, black and brown, you guys. I'm just kind of boring. I will find some journals and post them below if you guys are interested. Something very similar, but this did come from a little store in my town. And so we write to remember the amazing moments, to be kind to one another, and forgiving each other. And there's just so many things in here that are so, I don't know, just so inspiring. And as you go along, it says different things like, I am with you always until the end of time. You're never alone. And so I can write my prayers and look down and read a little Bible verse. So theirs probably had a bit of a different layout, but it also has a place, you know, to put your date. And then it has this zip. So I thought this was perfect, you guys. I just need this type of thing in my life because losing my mother has definitely changed me from the inside in a way that nothing ever has. So I feel like self-reflection and prayer will strengthen me, and I don't know, I just felt like when I was getting the prayer journals for them, I wasn't going to get myself one, and I thought, you know, I need one. So this is a great gift for someone if they're a believer, and I think just to write things down is very important. But years and years ago, let me look on the date here, back in 2000, no, let's see. I started this one back in 2006, a couple of years after Keith and I married, and I used to write, it's just a little ring binder notebook. And I used to write in it all the time. There's lots of things. There's even like wish list in here. I wrote a lot of things in Greek. Just a lot of things. Okay, I wrote about going to Germany, our adventures in Germany. I wrote, I mean, it's just page after page after page of memories, but I kind of stopped at one point. I wrote things about being an artist. So, you know, when I pass away one day, my kids probably get a big kick out of it. All right, guys, so really fast, because I don't want my video to be over 20 minutes long. I'm really striving. This bag is gorgeous, and I'm trying not to buy more bags, but you guys, I kind of think I want the larger size in black. Or beige, I don't know. But this is the medium size, okay? It's so squishy, so soft. Ooh, it's so squishy and soft, like a pillow. And it's so malleable, and look, yes, it's got the pocket. And there is some, what is in there? Oh, look, my car keys, or my house key. My phone was in there, but I took it out. So I'm gonna open it up and show you really fast all the stuff that's in there, just thrown in there. So I've got my Fendi Sunnies. So I always use a soft case because, you know, it saves a lot of room. I have my beautiful new key clay that I love so much that my dear friends Winnie, Dawn, Cammie, let's see who all was in on it. I hope I don't leave anybody out. James of James Jam and Eva. Thank you guys. I love it. Now I need a bag like this. I love it, you guys. It's perfect. I love it. So that's in there. I have my little Longchamp that Winnie sent me. I love this, you guys. I want the makeup bag one. So they're one of a Nat. Okay, so I want the one that's a makeup bag because these little Longchamp things are just great. I love this one because it doesn't have the flap, but I wouldn't mind the flap. I just have some lippies in there and some cough drops. I've got my my Touchland hand sanitizer that Eva sent me. Eva, I'm addicted. Thank you. I have my gorgeous Coach quilted card case with my cards in it. Love it. I have my beautiful zippy, it's a card case, but I use it as a wallet. And it's got some change, it's got some money in it, and some other cards in it. Yeah, and some receipts. Love it. So I've been using this combination, and it works for me. So I love that. I have, oh, more Dior lip oil. I've got my little Chanel mirror. Love it, because it doesn't take up any space. I mean, this bag, it's like a Mary Poppins bag. I'm not kidding. Oh, I do have a pen in here, guys. This is something I never do. Why is this pen in here? That's a no-no. Okay, so here is a piece of paper. Oh, a list. That's in there. You guys are gonna laugh. So, I have a One Wipe Charlie. You never know. You just never know when you're gonna have to use a One Wipe Charlie, okay? But I always keep one of these in my purse. Oh gosh, okay, and I do have some hand cream. And you know, and with all the stuff that I just showed you guys, I also had my iPhone 15 Pro Max in there. This bag holds a ton. As a matter of fact, now that I've shown you what is in this bag, at some point I'm gonna see if the Tabbies 26 hold as much, because this one, it's softer. Look at this. It's like butter, okay? It's like butter, and it's so good, so good. Yes, I have a top on. I love you guys so much. I will be back. I am going to do my luxury and contemporary shoe video, but I'm gonna have to move everything into my closet because I'm gonna do that, I think, next week. So that's gonna be coming. So anyway, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys have a blessed and wonderful week, day. And yeah, I'll see you again very soon. Peace.